have such problems, sorry,
Okay.
whenever you have such issues, you can often consider telling them in advance,
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
anyways, how was your demo session, and like what feedback you got? So, can you share about that?
Yeah. Yesterday I took a session, Mehzabeen ma'am, I think there, and
Okay.
my session was very amazing with her, and I learned a lot from the tutor, and I am very passionate learner myself. If I talk about myself, I am very passionate and motivated actually learner. So
Hmm.
it was amazing for me, and I am seeking learning day by day new things and new skills as well.
Okay, very nice. So since you have charted your session in the demo and you have seen the feedback, so this is the very first session, and after your demo, right?
Yes,
After your demo, this is the first session,
this
or
is the second session after
before
the demo.
session?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we have a topic that is about TV shows you are glued to. So I would like to know that this improvement that you want in your English, it is for professional reason or personal growth.
This is related to my personal or as well as a professional also, because I am a teacher. Actually I want to tell you that I am academic teacher, and I have been teaching in a schools for
Okay.
4 years. Right now I
Mm-hmm.
am and I have been teaching English subject only from 9th to 12th standard senior classes. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So what subject are you teaching them?
English literature and language
English
both.
literature only. Okay. So presently you're working.
Yes, yes, yes.
You're working
Yes.
presently. Great. So today we will be talking about TV shows you're glued to. So do you want to go with this topic, or you have anything else in mind?
No, I am comfortable for this topic.
Okay. So first of all, we will be working on few activities as well, there, which is also related to the vocabulary part. And
If you, I am. May I start from the introduction?
yes,
Yeah.
definitely. Please
If I
start.
talk about myself, I am a Monica Gupta, and I am from MP, Gwalior
Okay.
district, and I have done MA from English literature and B.Ed from English and SST. And if I talk about my extra qualifications, so I have cleared my CTET examination, which is regarding teaching purpose, and it
Okay.
is eligibility test, teaching eligibility test, and I am pursuing PhD right now. I am preparing for PhD exam
Okay.
as well, and I am a YouTuber also, and I am
Okay.
learning this English speaking skills nowadays, and I want to improve myself by
Mm-hmm.
tutoring, or by your think different types of learning or structures. That's all about
Yes.
me. Thank you.
Great. So yes. So as you said that you have an YouTube channel. So may I know, like, what is your niche?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is the niche that you
Definitely.
have for your channel?
Actually, I would like to upload my English literature related to English literature subjects like poetry, prose,
Okay.
like na Shakespeare's poetry, or
Okay.
Shelley's, P.B. Shelley's, John Milton, Wordsworth. So many poets are there. So regarding MA and BA students who are pursuing or who are learning thoroughly in their academic sessions. So related to my content is related to the BA and post degree graduation students, like na. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that is the channel. So how many subscribers you have gained so far?
Actually, I didn't get so much a response from my YouTube channel, because I am engaging so many things, like so only 31 subscribers are there.
Oh, so it's been like how long you've been on YouTube?
Only 2 months ago I started.
2 months. So
Hmm.
I think it's fine because gradually you can increase, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you need to be consistent. I think the platform is more about consistency. and more of creativity. So you're editing. So do you edit your own videos?
Yes, I edit my own videos. I have to make thumbnails or like a description according to the videos. I have to make a impressive description and title as well. So there are so many things, small things we have to make in our regular content, in order to make impressive for the audience.
Exactly. So you have to be like very active and creative every single day, so that they
Maybe.
interest and watch that. So it's good to know that you have a channel, and I think hopefully within a year or 6 months, it will gradually grow. So
Yes, yes.
yes. So as I said, like we'll be starting with a vocabulary activity where we have the topic which is also called as collocations. Collocations. Have you heard about it?
Yeah, yeah. I heard.
Yes. So what are collocations?
Collocations, it means tags mark question like didn't, isn't, haven't, like.
Yeah. So basically, it's verb plus noun collocations. There are different types of collocations, which can be the group of verb and noun, adjective and noun. So, for example, we make a phrase that is make a decision. So this is a noun, verb and noun collocation, right? So I want you to make some sentences, and I will give you collocations. Okay. So first one is make a decision. So how will you use it in a sentence?
In collocation, no? Right?
Yeah.
How do you, ma'am, please repeat?
Yes. Can you make a sentence with this? Make a decision.
Okay,
This is a phrase
okay.
given to you. So can you make a sentence with that?
Make a decision. Okay. We should make a decision, right, on the right things for our life, for our lives.
Okay. So I would want you to pronounce this word again from the chat box.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Make a decision.
So here the
Uh,
second sound, syllabic sound, has to be
Decision.
sir.
Sir.
Decision, sir.
Yeah.
So it has to be stressed. I want you to repeat it 2, 3 times. Decision.
Decision.
Yes. So the SION sound.
Yeah, yeah.
This has to be pronounced as sure.
Yes, yes.
Decision.
Decision.
Decision. Yes. Decision.
The sound is
Yes.
there, na?
Yes. So sound.
Okay.
Sure
Okay.
sound. So
Yes.
yes. Next would be take responsibility.
Okay. Take responsibility. We have to take responsibility of our kids as well as our families,
Hmm.
in order to give them satisfaction in every work, actually,
In every activity. Yes.
in every
Uh,
activity of the household chores, like
in every errands. You can also say errands.
errands. I didn't
Errands.
understand.
Errands.
Okay.
Errands are the daily chores, that is activities.
Okay,
So the
we can
daily
use
activities
also.
we call as
Okay.
errands, yes.
Okay, instead of household chores, we can use this word also, no?
Yes, so in
Mm,
daily errands. So these
errands.
are errands means activities.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Errands
Yes, next is have an impact.
have an impact. If we do work in our office with the honesty, so definitely we have an impact of our audience, or of our colleagues, or of our boss also.
Yes, absolutely. Now, one more word I would want you to pronounce
Pay
as we are,
attention. Yeah,
yeah, just a moment. I'll give it to you. Yes.
colleague,
So this should be pronounced as colleague.
colleague. Okay,
Colleague. Yeah.
colleague.
Okay. Next is raise an issue.
Raise an issue.
Raise
Okay,
an issue.
raise an issue. Okay,
Uh-huh.
we have to raise our voice whenever we get into illegal issues.
We get into illegal issues. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Next is meet a deadline.
Okay. We have to my boss told me yesterday, told me, complete you have to complete this file, otherwise you meet a deadline.
Now, in this sentence, yesterday should come first.
Okay.
Okay, so in the beginning, you will say, yesterday my boss reminded me. Instead of saying
Yeah,
told
yeah.
me, you can say reminded me, or, uh, one more word you can say, advised me,
Advised
if
me.
it is an advice. So try to, like, use different words now,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
So in the
Ma'am, can you please
repetitive.
explain me deadline? I didn't get
Yes, deadline
get
is
it.
basically, yes, deadline is a time period. It's a time frame. Like I tell you that I want you to submit your attendance sheet by tomorrow at the end of the day, EOD. So that means I've given you the deadline till
Okay,
tomorrow evening. So
tomorrow.
that is called a deadline.
Yeah, this is the actually has मतलब hurriedly work we have to do by hook or by crook, no? Right?
Yeah. Hurriedly in the sense like you have a time frame to
Yeah,
complete that task.
you
So
complete.
if you cross that timeline, then there will be repercussions that we have to face. And secondly, if you do within the time, then that means you have done it before the deadline. So that is a deadline. So it's a fixed time given to
It's
you.
given. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Given anyone, you have to completed your task within the period.
within the
Yeah,
time frame.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah. I
that's
got it. Got it.
right. Okay, now I'm going to give you the collocations for adjectives and nouns. So the
Okay.
first one is strong argument.
Okay, strong argument. I have yesterday I had a strong argument with my with my school principal because of some reason.
Because of some reason. Okay. Instead of saying because of some reason, you can say due to some reason.
Yeah, yeah.
Due to some reason, I had an argument. So you can start the sentence with due also.
Due
Due to some reason,
due
I
to
had an argument with my principal.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next is heavy traffic.
Heavy traffic. Due to heavy traffic, I couldn't reach at my destination at at the time at the yeah, at
On
the
time.
time.
On time.
On time.
Because
Yeah.
preposition on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On
Because it's
time.
about time. So we will use on.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Then we have rapid growth.
Okay.
Rapid means fast growth.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kids nowadays, my kids actually have been a rapid growth in their personality or in their body, uh, because they are facing the toddler stage right now, and this is the growthing rapidly growth stage of kids.
Yes, now this sentence is very long, and that's why there were lots of grammatical errors, especially with the sentence structure.
Yes,
So
yes.
you can say in short that I have seen a rapid growth in my kids because as uh, they are in the time frame or they are in the toddler stage.
In the
You know,
toddler
from toddler
stage.
to what age do they have? Like what is the age?
Actually, conventional stage. My elder brother, actually my elder son is 6 years old plus,
Okay.
so he
Yeah,
has a conventional stage. Premolar, मतलब there are I think 3 or 4 stages I think are there. Sensory
yeah.
stage, sensory motor stage, and conventional stage, and pre-conventional
So they are
stage.
in the conventional stage now.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can say that I can see a rapid growth in my kids because they are in the conventional stage.
Yes, yes, yes,
At
definitely.
a conventional stage. At, yes.
Yes.
Next is serious problem.
Okay. Serious problem.
Yeah.
Nowadays I am facing some serious problems and issues in my life regarding learning this language.
Hmm. Regarding learning this language. Okay. Yeah. So that can work. Then we have one more, high demand.
Yeah, usually kids have some high demand in front of the
Mhm.
parents.
Yes, that can work. All right. So these were some collocations. Now, uh, I would want you to tell me what is your favorite daily soap. Do you watch any daily soap on television?
Actually, from since not since for 1 month, I am not able to see tell you मतलब TV मतलब a little bit whenever I free I get engaged in my learning things or learning activities, so I can't interested in TV serials right now.
Okay,
But
so
there is a serial of
then,
my favorite, that is
hmm,
Mangal Lakshmi, which is I am watching on the Colors, and
okay,
this is my favorite one of the favorite one of the favorites actually serials.
okay, all right. So now you said for a month, but you can say since a month
Okay.
because it has passed now, right? So since a month, I wasn't able to watch TV. So that activity is already past now. So
Yes,
it
yes,
has to go in the past tense. Okay.
yes,
But for a month, I was not able to. So if you have to change the tense, then you can use for a month.
yes, yes.
Okay. Yes. Now, as we come to the end of the session, because I think we had very limited time uh, today, like you joined after 10 minutes, so we had limited time.
Yes,
But
yes.
I'm sure that
Because
next
ma'am,
time
there's occurred some issues, like I have to
network
call
issues
the
was
support team. After that, I will
okay.
join because there is no visible on the screen your session with me.
Hmm.
That's
I think
why.
that maybe some technical glitch. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes, definitely you can always convey them the message about what is happening, so they can check in that. But
Yes.
always check your network as well.
Can we?
Refresh and
Yeah.
then
Can we conversation 5 more minutes? 5 minutes more.
yes, actually we can, but we just have 2-3 minutes more because it gets auto disconnected.
Okay.
So that's why I want to give you the feedback. But
Okay.
definitely in the next session we'll be able to talk more.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would like to conclude with giving you some strong feedback about today's session. So overall, like whatever I observed, so I some qualifications on purpose so that you can speak more using the sentences. So here I could see that you have to work more on your
Okay.
prepositions, right?
Yes.
And second thing, pronunciation errors were there. Certain places like there is MTI and you suddenly use some Hindi words,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that doesn't have to come while speaking. That means it can feel like you're translating. Do you translate sometimes?
Yeah. Sometimes I used to translate.
Yes, so that because of that, sometimes what happens is grammatical errors can occur, and I could see that sentence structure can improve more. There has been a lot of grammatical errors in terms of prepositions were there, then tenses, and I think even the helping verbs. Sometimes using the words here and there because of the verbs, it can occur that the grammatical errors can impose more on the sentence structure. So you'll have to take care of that. So you
Yes.
can watch this recording again. You'll get a link after this. You can watch and try to work more on that.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I would
Definitely.
like to recommend you to watch some shadowing sessions of English ARE on YouTube. And secondly, keep reading.
Yes.
In
Yes.
reading, read one passage a day slowly so that your pronunciations you can hear with your own ears and you can understand that here is where I am making mistakes. But you have to know the perfect pronunciations.
Yes.
Okay, so you'll have to work on that.
Yes. Yes.
So unfortunately, we'll have to end now because of time.
Yes.
But next time we'll surely catch up and we'll talk more on that.
Ma'am, please
Okay.
tell me one positive, one positive point for
Yes.
me.
Yes. Positive point. Yes, I did tell you, like, of course, you have a good energy, which is a positive outlook, and everyone should have that. Secondly, I think that you participated very well in all the tasks because most of the time, making someone speak, it's very difficult, for us.
Yes.
But yes, I can see that you have that zest of learning. And second thing is, I would want you to keep this energy throughout, even when you are focused or unfocused. Maybe you have a bad day, but still this energy should be on because that's how you enjoy the sessions,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So you'll
Definitely.
just have to keep this momentum on. And secondly, your learning spirit is good. Like you can accept the changes very well.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that
Yes.
is a positive trait. All right.
I always try my best to learning new things and improve myself regarding grammar, regarding structures as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's always good to know where we are, making mistakes and errors because that is where we can work more. And I feel that if you have that ability of accepting the facts and the errors, then of course it's a positive outlook
Ma'am, is there
towards that.
necessary, because I am from Hindi medium school and my schooling
Hmm.
was from Hindi medium.
Yeah.
So this is the also a minus point for me, I think.
That's not necessary. There are lots of people who are from different mediums, but I think that even if you want to start from the basics, it's always good.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are lots of people who have started from basics and they have reached a new level now. So I think that's not a problem. Being to become a native speaker, it doesn't mean that you have to be from English medium only. Even people from English background as well, they make a lot of errors,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So that's not an issue. And I think you speak pretty well, but you need to be corrected and polished more.
Yeah, yeah.
So that then with practice it will happen.
Practice will be
Okay.
necessary. Yeah.
Yes, so for that, you have to keep listening to lots of podcasts and short stories
Hmm.
because that helps a lot in improving your vocabulary.
Yes,
Okay,
definitely I will do, ma'am. Definitely.
that's great. So it's good to see that you will be consistent. Since this is your just second session, just try to focus more consistently. Even though you have 8 classes, you can upgrade later and you can keep the momentum on.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
thank you.
you. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.